My friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we have a look of Zilliqa coin. What's the price change goes in Zilliqa, what's the high price, what's the current price, and what's going in Zilliqa coin. And this video I will show you with a live proof. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. As you can see now on the screen, friends, that is live price prediction of the previous last one day. What's the change goes and Zilliqa. And remember, I have a surprise news for all of you that I'm doing the giveaway of the 100 Zilliqa coin after my completing 3k subscribers. So please complete my 3k subscriber and ready for a big giveaway of Zilliqa coin. So friends, that is last one day price prediction of the Zilliqa coin. As you can see here, the average change occur in Zilliqa coin as about positive 1.94% change occur in Zilliqa coin, and the high price of Zilliqa coin as about $0.210231 is the high price of Zilliqa coin in the last one day, friends. If we look the chart analysis of the Zilliqa coin, so as you can see here, falling down and falling down, continuously falling occur in Zilliqa coin. But if we look the small jump, the small pumps occur in Zilliqa coin. If we look the currently status of Zilliqa coin, so currently I think they are in jumping mood, and the change is, that is why the change is in positive, friends. Now let's see the last 1 hour price prediction, what's going on in the Zilliqa coin at this time. The current change, the current price change, the current high price, and the current price of Zilliqa coin. Let's see the last 1 hour price prediction, as you can see now on the screen. So friends, please serious for giveaway. I'm doing a giveaway, and please remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel and stay connected, because for any updates of Zilliqa coin giveaway, please remember, please active on the channel. As you can see here, friends, the average change occurs in Zilliqa coin and the last 1 hour is positive 0.88% change, and the last 1 hour and the high price of Zilliqa coin as about $0.206891. And friends, if we look the current status of Zilliqa coin, so as you can see here, at this time they are falling down. If you look the chart analysis of the Zilliqa coin, so they are in the falling mood, but the previous period of Zilliqa coin is absolutely good. As you can see here, they take a high jump. That is why the changes is in positive, because they take a jump in the last 1 hour, friends. So friends, according to the price prediction, as you know, the Zilliqa coin falls down, but and now they take a small jump. So that is why the change is positive, and soon they become a high explosion of the Zilliqa coin. It comes after 12 and 13 April. The big explosion of Zilliqa starts now. So that is why my suggestion for all of Zilliqa coin holders, that please hold your Zilliqa coin with the last of this month, because the big explosion are coming soon of Zilliqa coin. So please hold it. And if you want to buy Zilliqa coin, so it's not the best time to buy Zilliqa coin. When they start a high explosion, so it's the best time for you to buy a Zilliqa coin. What's your opinion about Zilliqa coin? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.